In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails on your Canva website using a contact form. Hi everyone. If you're building a simple site in Canva and want an easy way for visitors to share their email addresses, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish in a clear, straightforward way. First, open your Canva website design. This is the project where your web pages live, not a standalone presentation or social post. If you have multiple pages, pick the page where you want your form to appear, like your home page or a dedicated contact page. Having the right page open will make placement easier later. Next, look to the left side panel and click Elements. This is where Canva stores most of its building blocks. Once you're in Elements, scroll down until you find Forms, or use the search bar at the top and type Forms to jump there quickly. Searching is helpful if you don't see the category right away, especially in busy projects. Click Forms to open up the available form options, then choose the business category. This category focuses on practical, professional templates that already include the fields people expect. To see everything available, click See All. This expands the full set so you can compare styles and layouts before choosing. Select Contact Form. As soon as you click it, the form is added to your page. You can drag it into position, align it with your headings or images, and resize it so it fits your layout. Try to keep it near the top, or in a clearly labeled section so visitors can find it without scrolling too much. Now, click the form to edit it. You'll see options to adjust text, colors, and the fields themselves. This is your chance to keep the form simple and focused, so people are more likely to submit it. Make sure the email field is included. This is the key part for collecting email addresses. Check that the label clearly says email and that it's easy to read. If your form also includes name or message fields, keep them concise and in a logical order, with email near the top. A brief, friendly heading like Get in Touch or Subscribe for updates can encourage submissions without overwhelming readers. That's it. The essentials are in place. You've added a contact form to your Canva website and ensured it captures email addresses in a clean, user-friendly way. And that's how you collect emails on your Canva website using a contact form. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.